Evening to you all, and on today's video I'm making some fun calamari, and I'm gonna make it as delicious as possible. I already have it in some water, and that is about it at this moment. Now that we've started this video, this has been sitting in the bucket for only a couple minutes. I actually got this pre-sliced. I would have liked to did it myself, but this is okay. Now I'm gonna get this strained out, and after I strain this out, I'm gonna refill this up with a little bit of water. So strain these calamaris out. And what I'm gonna do basically is create flavor that was not there before. So I'm gonna let this drip for a moment. Get excess water out. Now, back into a bowl. On the bowl, I really want to make this work, so I'm going to take me an egg, one large egg, crack it in the bowl first. And instead of my usual, let me use my whisk. I'm going to take some of this egg and I'm going to add it into here. Not all of it, because I don't believe it's going to take long. Now I'm going to have a quick rinse. Maybe I cleaned it before the video, but I don't mind doing it again. These hands. Keeping it simple, I'm basically just getting it coated with some egg. Now from here, I really want to turn it to dials, and I want to impart my own style of flavor. I said this before, so I say it again. I'm gonna start this off because I care about your hearts, and I want you to care too. Get some turmeric. I actually want to taste these, so some salt. Might add a little bit more salt. Black pepper. Some red paprika. A little bit more red paprika. A nice helping of that onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some starch. Before we get into the rest of this mixture, I'm gonna give it some good old salt and mixing. Bless you, thank you. Got some fresh Italian breadcrumbs right here. And I want to make this a little thicker. Got me a little of this all-purpose flour, not a lot. So, grab me a cup, flour, some flour. Everybody get some hand mixing going. Over that breadcrumb. Let's go, folks. Yeah, get some more of that egg. Alright, folks. Now, what I'm going to do is, I got me some breadcrumb on the side. I got me some egg. And I'm going to go one by one and get these boys rolling. Being real careful, like. So, show you guys. Drop it in the egg. Get it in that breadcrumb. Grab my little spoon. I'm gonna get that dopped in it and get that boy rolling. And we're gonna repeat. Repeat. Be careful, don't burn yourself and get popped. Take it. So we're gonna come back and show you how these come out, and you'll see that hey, this recipe is super simple, super deliberate, and no time wasted. See you in a second. Down to the last, and I got this little fun idea for my process to speed me up just a taste, but not too much. Gonna take each one of these last ones. It's kind of broken, but you know, leave no piece behind. Each one of these I'm gonna get as I go. So now I'm about to take the last of the egg. Grab this one out. So I'll show you. Get these based. Put the last of that egg. After I base it, bring it right over here to the breadcrumb. Bring some more crumb. Just get these. just gonna shake these about. Shake them about. This is just one way to go about it, get it all based up. Now after it's based up, guys, being real careful, get it in that oil. Show you how we get it in the oil. Being careful, I make sure that ring stays open. I'm taking my time with you guys. Get that tip right on there. Keep that ring open. I say as soon as it hits that oil, it hits that good sear, and she's creating a crust around it. And don't over bother it. You know, a lot of times all that's going to do is create just more breading in the oil and less on your plate. So don't do that, folks. We're going to keep on getting the rest of these done. Make sure you get all them pieces, none of this left behind. Alright, now we're going to let these cook about. We're not going to disturb them, but I am going to give a little bit of seasoning out. I don't need a lot, but I need a little something. So we're going to find it. There we go, I got you. Put the cat back on here. We're going to leave that to sizzle until we get to that color we're looking for. But then we're out to it, folks. Get my handy fork. Off the wall. Get them about. I ain't trying to have them to lock together, but that could happen if I ain't careful. Twisting them about. That small one right there doing its thing. Got me a couple more. And a small little one. Keep shaking about. Shaking. Now take it straight to the oil. Follow me, people. Make sure you get that full bread coating on it. Got right onto the oil. Now keep in mind these are going pretty high. It's not too bad in color. A little darker than the whole, but the rest is looking pretty beautiful. Let me get these turned. Almost there, folks. A little bit of seasoning added. Not much. thing these burgers need is a little bit of salt and a little taste of lemon pepper. And I'm gonna show you how they go. Oh, that oil gotta be good, but we used to this. Now I'm gonna bring you over, see what the finished product looking like. I feel like that ain't bad, people. Now, I'm gonna add me a little bit of this lemon pepper. And a little bit of salt. Not a whole lot of salt though. Hey, now that's the recipe. And I ain't gonna lie, let me go and get my hand into it and see how we're going. Bless us to this food. Not overly chewing. Very flavored. Very hot, but you know that already. That's a total smash, people. That's great. And like I always say, until the next.